Hi everyone and welcome back. The leaves are changing, so we headed to the park to gather some of nature's best art supplies, a whole pile of beautiful, colorful leaves. But we didn't just bring them home for a regular art project. We're going to turn them into awesome and spooky leaf monsters for Halloween. My 4-year-old co-star is helping me out today, and we'll show you how we went from a pile of leaves to colorful, creepy, and cute creatures. This is a perfect activity for a chilly afternoon, and all you really need is what you can find right outside. Let's get crafting.
This will be my head, look. This is my monster's head, and we are going to use them to create some monsters. So I'm gonna just lay it out, and maybe this will be... Okay, I'm gonna cut it right here, look.
Maybe a good place to that will be the monster of the... I need 4 wiggly eyes.
You need 4?
Yeah,
oh my
one
god.
over here, one over here, one over here.
Okay, pick some out.
I'll get 4 wiggly eyes. That's funny. Get 4.
Okay, so this will be my monster's legs.
That is
And then maybe
4 wiggly eyes.
here.
4 wiggly eyes.
Then
Look at my 4 wiggly eyes.
these will be...
They're like this, like this. Huh?
This will be the arms, maybe?
Like this.
Something like that.
Like this.
Oh, your monster has 4 eyes?
Yeah.
I think if you want to put 4 eyes on this leaf, you'll need smaller eyes. These eyes are too big. And then I need a head. So let me think about this. What color can I use? Maybe I'll use this. Is this the head? No. I'll use this one. This will be the head.
Like this will be the... Like this will be the body of
Which one will be the body?
this one. That'll be his tummy.
Okay. I need a leaf right in the middle. Let me see. Does this work?
How did it go? That'll be my legs. Got it? That'll be my tall legs.
Okay. That's cool.
That's legs. My hair will be best. What?
You need a scissor?
I need a scissor, please.
I'll start by gluing them. I like this tiny glue dots, you know. Just gently press it down and then peel it off. Like
I will have 4 hands.
Got 4 hands,
Yeah, I got
4 arms.
4 arms.
Wow.
Mine will be the best. The whole way around.
You make sure you place them in the center of the paper.
Yeah,
Okay?
like this. A big blue dot.
That's nice.
What's my hand?
Did you put it on yet?
Yeah, put it on. Maybe I draw it.
What?
Oh, what's my feet?
Oh, that's okay. Sorry.
My feet. I need help, Mom.
Yes, I am here.
Can you make another one with blue dot?
Give you another glue dot.
Yeah. No, one more. No, 2 more.
I'll put it here.
Yeah, put it here.
Here. We need 2 on this leaf. scarf. Look, a monster has a scarf. Isn't that cool?
Yeah. Is this a mermaid? Is this a mermaid? Is this
Mermaid? Does it look like a mermaid?
Yeah, you see a mermaid tail.
Oh, mermaid tail.
It looks like a mermaid tail.
It looks like a mermaid?
Yeah.
Cool.
Can you help me like this?
One moment.
I need more glue. I only have one glue left. Sorry.
Okay, so what do you need my help with?
A few two more.
Oh, that's your feet?
No,
Super cool.
no, that's my feet. See? That's my feet.
That's your leg. Are these your like shoes or what?
No, those are my shoes.
Okay, so what are these two for?
That's for the hand like this.
Wait, what are these?
Those are the forehands on the
Oh,
bottom.
you got 4 arms.
Yeah, I need
Got
four
it, I got
arms.
it, I got it. Okay, there you go.
I need to wig the eyes now. So I only put my own with the eyes.
Here.
Like this and like this. See?
Wow, 3 eyes.
Yes, you help me.
Yes. How come these are not even glued to the paper yet?
Maybe I
Oh, you need some glue dots here on the back of this green leaf. Okay? Because you know it's not staying on the paper yet. So I can help you put some glue dots on first. So it stays on the paper, right?
You put the glue dot on the back.
And I need to put some glue dots on the back of your green leaf.
Mine is the best. Yeah.
Can you peel them off?
Get it off. What?
Peel these two off.
Okay.
So now we can add your wiggly eyes.
Now, okay, I'm gonna do it.
You want 3 eyes?
The 4 eyes.
4. Well, how are you gonna put them?
Like 6. Ooh, a sticky eye. This one goes here. This one goes here. Like this. That'll be an eye shot. Look at his costume. I'm a costume. Okay, are you done?
Look, the leaf monster.
Leaf monster. I want my color name.
Emma.
T
Are we ready to close?
Not yet.
I'm ready to close.
You're ready to close down. Close.
Okay.
Leaf monster. That's cool.
Yep, and that is our leaf monster. I hope you enjoyed making this with us. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more weekly uploads. And we'll see you next time.
Bye bye. See you later.